Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Their website link will be down below. And if it's on Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate link also in the description. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is coming from my good friends over at Frizzlife. This is a brand new M800 Mineralized RO system, high flow, non-electric, remineralization, tankless. Look at those mountains. Water as it should be. Oh, baby. Definitely gonna test this out tonight. Here we go. Okay, this is what you get in the box. Stainless steel water faucet. Hole size 1/2 inch. Use 1/2 metal bit to drill. Oh. Blue clip. Water. Long stem. Okay. So this is what it looks like. There's those things. There's a handle. Frizzle. All the way up. S304. This thing is a beauty, guys. Like I said, this is brand new. We're going to see what's inside here. We have here the stainless steel water hose. Right here is a puller for this bad boy right here. Show you guys that in a second. That does that. And we got a bag here, USB cable, a lot of screws, tape, water sealing tape, washer, and we got some clamps right here. And then we also have here some straps, maybe to mount it. I'm not sure where I'm going to mount this thing. I'll find out. Of course, you get the instruction manual. Oh, that's how it's done. It's a belt wrench. Okay. Okay, so you take the white one on top. Pop, boom, bang. So you get all these goodies. And of course, you get the hoses with the Osmosis. Now here's the M800. I think that's what it's called. Yep, M800. Oh, baby. This thing is a beast. Look at them tanks. Very nice. Oh, here we go. There goes a pull. Oh, baby. Oh, come on. We can do it. Oh, man. Oh, baby. There's a display. We got the hose right there. Filtered waste. This is a, whoa. Oh, yeah, it's electric. Look at that. Really nice. Yeah, she's a beauty, guys. Reset. Everything's working. Now I just got it installed, the fun part. So right here is a PPC. And of course you can always buy tanks at their website or on Amazon. So either or, like I said, you should be good for a while. But for backup, you might as well have an extra one in the closet, you know? Because that one night you want water and your tanks are empty, you could just switch it out right away without waiting a day or two if you go through Amazon. So, choice is yours. Link's going to be down below. Install part will be coming up next. So, stay tuned. Wee. Guys, excuse the mess a little bit. I got to clean up around here. We got halfway installed. We got that hose right there. Connector right here. Then I'm gonna run the white wire. I got these plugged in already. I'm gonna put it underneath my sink, so I got a good spot for it. And this was pretty simple so far. Here's this part. Got the red hose there. So almost done. Like, I got the that guy right there installed. So he is ready to go on top. And we're gonna do this one. Here we go. I got the white wire properly installed. Got the clamps right there. Got this ready to roll. And I already drilled the hole right in there. Got the wire right there. I'm gonna run it different up top and then through that thing, and then at the end you'll see a little cup of water getting forward. So this is pretty exciting. And yes, you do get screws. This is for the mounting on the back, and also USB cable to charge it when it goes dead. So we got tape right there, a few extra, and right here this is a razor blade, so be really careful if your kids around or your pets. Make sure that you do remember that this is a razor blade and you won't get cut, so be careful. But yeah, pretty simple so far, no issues. And we're gonna set this thing up. I gotta do some major cleaning, but it's alright. Here we go. And that's where you're gonna be charging it. There's a USB port, and right here is gonna tell how to activate long press, flush reset for 4 seconds, reset filter, this and that. All good. So now we're gonna turn it on. Okay, hold on. Well, check that out. It shows your RPMs. Get a flush. And it's gonna go. So we got, I think, we're full. So everything's good to go. And then at the end, you're gonna see the water coming up.